Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to make a photo frame. For this activity, you are going to need your parents' help or any adult supervision. It is a very simple and cute method to decorate your favorite photo. You are going to need some color papers, a piece of cardboard, a scissor, some glue, some powdered glitters, a scale, your favorite photos, sketch pens, a gel glitter, pencil, and a glitter glue. So let's get started. Take any colored sheet and place the cardboard piece on top of it. Now, using a pencil, trace the edges of the cardboard on this sheet. Take the scissor and cut it out, but be careful or take your parents' help. Now, take this cutout piece and stick it on top of the cardboard. This will become the base of our photo frame. Now place the base of the photo frame on top of another colored sheet and trace it using a pencil. Take your favorite photo and place it in the middle of this drawn square. Trace it again using a pencil. This is where you're going to need someone's help. Ask your help to cut out the middle rectangle without cutting the edges. Take this cutout and place it on top of the photo frame base which we previously made and stick it with a glue, but do not put glue on the top side of the frame. The top side is going to be the entrance to insert the photo in our photo frame. Now you can decorate this photo frame however you want. For this design, we are going to draw some circles of different sizes using a pencil. Color these circles using different colored sketch pens. Take the glitter glue and pour some amount on each circle. Take the glitter powder and sprinkle it on each circle. Now shut off the glitter after it's completely dried. Here we have our photo frame ready to insert our favorite pictures.